What up, everybody? Okay, so today is another Halloween video. I'm gonna start off with my maroon black face paint, and we're gonna go ahead and get this, and then we're gonna like draw kind of like a circular, carve out the front part, like the top of a pumpkin basically. So just draw these little black lines and then paint back in your hairline. If your hair is black like mine, my hair is actually pitch black. I never noticed that. Well, I mean, I knew that, but I noticed it more seeing these videos of me just painting my roots, painting like my edges up, and it blends in with my hair exactly. But make sure you paint your ears and everything, the inside, the outside, all up in there. I know it's like, do I really want to get this out? It's actually not that hard to get out of your ear because this paint is water based, so you just put some water in it and then it like runs off. Now I'm gonna get the orange color and I'm just gonna go ahead and outline the black and go ahead and paint in my face orange because we're a pumpkin, so we're gonna be orange. So go ahead and paint up all that face, all of it. Anyway, I noticed streaks were coming off of the brush with the orange paint, so I got a beauty blender to blend it out, make it a little bit smoother. So yeah, that's a tip. If that happens to you, use a beauty blender. Okay, then after that, I'm going to get this Morphe palette and I'm going to get the black shade. And I went ahead and got some of that black paint that was already wet and put it on my eyelid for like a darker base. And then just blend it out with that black eyeshadow. If you have an eyeliner, it'll probably be good, like a pot gel eyeliner. I like using that, but I didn't feel like getting up, honestly, so I just used the black paint. But yeah, just do that and blend it up and make a little black smoky eye on your pumpkin. It's going to be it. And then I went ahead and actually used the black paint again on my eyebrows. You know, too lazy to get up to go get actual black makeup, but it works, so you might as well just use it if it's already out. Yeah, so go ahead and do like a regular eyebrow. I made the front a little bit more spiky. Yeah. Now it's time to do the mouth. So for the mouth, I wanted it to be very spiky and like scary, spooky looking because we are spooky pumpkin. But I went ahead and did like a whole bunch of little triangles, yeah, like that, going all the way up. I used a skinny brush and then I went ahead and filled it in later with a thicker brush. So just go ahead and do this and then get a thicker brush and just paint the middle, and then maybe a smaller brush to get all of the little crevices of those triangles. It's actually pretty easy if you get like a skinny concealer, a flat concealer brush, because it's actually very skinny and more flat than like a regular small brush, because those tend to fan out and make weird shape lines. So yeah, that's a good tip. Okay, so after you finish all of that, we're gonna go ahead and get a brown eyeshadow. This is another Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like put some shadows around the mouth area to make it look more cool. And then after you do that, you're gonna go ahead and get the same eyeshadows and then make little lines going up and down your face, as in like the pumpkin crevices that they got, you know. And yeah, just go ahead and do that. Blend it down. I actually like mixing like 3 different shades of browns just to get different, just to make it look cool. And then after you get those lines, just go ahead and blend it out. I got like a darker orange color and I blended it all around. Just made it look better. There we go. Pumpkin AF. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna get a black eyeliner. Well, it's actually paint. And I just put it underneath my lower lash line. It's not in my eye or in my waterline because it's paint. And then now I'm going to get this NYX white eyeliner. Just get any white eyeliner. I just think NYX has a really good one. And I'm going to go ahead and draw some little lines in between the triangles, like the little cuts and whatnot, just to give some depth, because it just looks flat. You already put the shadows in, so now I want some highlights in there. So just go ahead and put some lines and then dab it out with your fingers. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some lashes. I actually wanted some big lashes for this look, so I popped them babies on, and I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line so them babies can pop too, you know? Now it's time for the Jack in the Box area part on your chest. So I'm wearing like a tube top. I just took off like the straps. You can see it on the left side right there. But go ahead and make like a 3D box, you know. So make a square and then make it 3D. And it was actually hard drawing. It felt like I was drawing backwards, but it wasn't that hard. So go ahead and do that, and make sure you draw a lid as well. And then I'm going to get this yellow paint, and I'm going to paint the inside of it yellow because I wanted my little box to be yellow. And then the middle part, I went ahead and left it blank because I wanted to put black paint inside of it. So I made it, I actually wanted it gray, so I did black and then I mixed some white in there and then just dab it in there to make it a little bit lighter so it can be shadowy. So now here is time to do the little spring. So I'm marking out where I want to do it. I just got any gel eyeliner that I had near me. I had a yellow one. So just go ahead and use whatever you have. It's going to be painted over. So go ahead and make your little spring. Just draw it and map it out. Make the ones closer to your neck bigger and then make them smaller when they get closer to the box. And then I'm going to get a white paint and then go over that and make it a little bit thick because we're going to outline it in a little bit. Now I'm actually going to get a more liquid paint because I was using the water based one, and this one's thicker so it just goes on more white. So I went ahead and put this on top to make it really white. And then after that I'm going to get a black eyeliner. I'm using the NYX one as well because it's a really matte one and I like the finish of it. And then I'm just going to outline the spring. So you want to make it 3D. So you see how I'm making the lines go over? So that's the part that's in front, and then there's a spring that goes in the back. So you want to make sure to do that correctly so it looks more realistic. And the eyeliner is actually really good to get in all the little tiny crevices and the little holes down there, you know. So get all up in there because the brush is super small, so that's good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get some black paint and then just go all around it. And you just want to paint all of the skin area now that you see black. So I'm going along with a smaller brush to get more of the detailed parts, the smaller areas. And then later on I'll get a bigger brush and just paint it all black. So yeah, now just make sure to paint everything. Paint even up your neck, on the sides of your neck, your shoulders, all the way up to the sides. If you're going out in public, you might want to paint all the way around. Yeah. but you know, I'm in a video, so y'all ain't gonna see the back of me. So I just did the front sides, and then I went ahead and got the little black brush and made some shadows underneath over there, just shadowing to make it look more real. And there we go, we are finished. Look at my arms, y'all ain't gonna see that part, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my pumpkin jack-in-the-box, and yeah, hope you loved it like I said, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you're enjoying these Halloween videos, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye. Look, it's funny when I show my teeth. Scary.